So here we will take another example. Solve 25uxx minus utt equal to 0 for u at all u at the pivotal points given u of 0 comma t equal to u of 5 comma t equal to 0, ut of x0 equal to 0 and ux0 is equal to 2x for 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2.5 and it is equal to 10 minus 2x for 2.5 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. So the boundary condition is piecewise continuous. Discrete boundary condition it is given. So for 1/2 period of the variation. So let us compare this one with the standard formula, standard wave equation utt equal to a square ux x. We have a square equal to 25 and that implies a equal to 5. Again in the question it is given that period of variation, period of variation, you remember this is the new term for you. Period of variation is equal to 2 into length by the constant t, so 2l by a, so that is equal to 2 into 5 by 5 because length is 5, x is from 0 to 5 and so 2 into 5 by 5 2 second. Here it is asking to find half period of variation. So this is one period of variation is 2 seconds and then half period of variation means 1 second. So let us consider h equal to 1 and therefore k will be h by a, so 1 by 5. So our x step size will be 1 and t step size will be 1 by 5. Now we will use the explicit formula uij plus 1 is equal to ui plus 1j plus ui minus 1j minus uij minus 1 and we will try to find the solution at the interior grid points. Now before finding the solution at the grid points we have to find the boundary and initial conditions. So let us see the first boundary conditions. BC means boundary conditions. U of 0 comma t equal to 0, that means u is 0 along the line x equal to 0 along the t axis. Similarly second boundary condition says that u of 5 comma t equal to 0, that implies u equal to 0 along the line x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 is the line parallel to t axis. Similarly the initial velocity ut x0 equal to 0 implies we have ui1 is equal to ui plus 1 0 plus ui minus 1 0 divided by 2 and the secondary initial condition is u of x0 equal to 2x for 0 is less than x is less than 2.5 and 10 minus 2x for 2.5 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. Now let us find the initial conditions first. So first initial condition u of x0, let us find u of I0 equal to 2i for 0 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to 2.5 because x equal to I we are putting, and 10 minus 2i for 2.5 is less than or equal to I is less than 5. Now u of 0 comma 0, I is 0, then I will have 0 in this interval I am finding, and then u of 1 comma 0, 1 is less than 2.5, so I will have 2 into 1, so u of 1 0 equal to 2, and u of 2 comma 0, 2 is less than 2.5, so 2 comma 0 is 4i, so 4, 2 into 2 4, so 4. Now let me find u of 3 comma 0, so 3 is less than 2 greater than 2.5, so I will use the function this one. So 3 if I put here 10 minus 3 into 2 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now u of 4 0, here again 4 is greater than 2.5, so I will use this function, so I will get 10 minus 2 into 4 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, and for u5 0 and this is 5 is more than 2.5, so I will use this one, this function, and so 10 minus 2 into 5 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So these are the first initial conditions, so we have to keep these values in the first row. And next let us go to the second initial condition. The second initial condition is ui1 is equal to ui plus 1 0 plus ui minus 1 0 divided by 2. This one, second initial condition, is nothing but this one, ui1 is equal to ui plus 1 0 plus ui minus 1 0 divided by 2. So we will use this one and we will try to find out the second initial condition. So let us find along the line t equal to 0. So u11 is equal to u2 0 plus u00 divided by 2. So u20 is nothing but u20, so 4 and u00 is nothing but 0. 4 plus 0 by 2 is 2. Again u21 is nothing but u21 is nothing but u30 plus u10 divided by 2. So u30 is nothing but 4 and u10 is nothing but 2. So 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is 3. u31 is nothing but u40 plus u20 divided by 2. u40 is nothing but 2 and u20 is nothing but 4. 2 plus 4 by 2 is nothing but 3. Now u41 is equal to u50 plus u30 divided by 2. u50 is 0, u30 is 4 by 2, so 4 by 2 is 2. So these are the second initial values, so we will keep them as the second column. And now let us draw the table. So from the table you see the horizontal lines are value of x, the vertical lines are value of t. If t equal to 0 you denote it j0, t equal to 1 by 5 you denote it j1, t equal to 2 by 5 you denote it j2, t equal to 3 by 5 denote it j3, t equal to 4 by 5 denote it j4, t equal to 1 denote it as j5. We are going to calculate up to j5. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because x is from 0 to 5. So now the first boundary condition says that u of x comma u of 0 comma t is 0. U along the line x equal to 0 means along the value along the t axis. These are the values, whatever t it may be, x, this u value is 0. Similarly u of 5 comma t is given 0. So this is u of 5, x is 5 and whatever t it may be, all the values will be 0. So these two columns are representing boundary conditions. Now let us find the initial condition t equal to 0. For that we will use the function u of x comma 0 equal to 2x and another one is 10 minus 2x, and j equal to 1 means t equal to 1 by 5. So t equal to 0 we have the value here, t equal to 0 we have the value 0 2 4 4 2 0. So we will put in the first row 0 2 4 4 2, 0 are there already, so we have the in between. Here you see the value is x is 1, t is 0, so u1 0. Here x is 2, t is 0, u2 0. Here x is 3, t is 0, u3 0. So whatever u2 0, u1 0, u2 0, u3 0, u4 0 we are getting, we will put here. Already you got here the value and here also. Now let us go for j equal to 1, second boundary condition, the second initial condition. Second initial condition says that j equal to 1 and I equal to 0 is 0. J equal to 1, u equal x equal I equal to 1. So x equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So u11. So u11 from here you have got 2. Similarly here you see I equal to 2, j equal to 1. So u21 we have here 3. Similarly u31 we have here 3 and u41 we are having 2. So these two are initial values. First two rows are initial values and first column and last columns are the boundary values. Now we will use the scheme ui j plus 1 is equal to ui minus 1j plus ui plus 1j minus ui j minus 1, and we will try to find the solution in the interior grid point. You remember these things are known already, so we have to evaluate the values inside the thing. Now let us find the value in this position. So in this position, what is the scheme says? One step left, one step right, and two step above. So here you see one step left is 0, one step right is 3, 0 plus 3, and two step above is 2. 0 plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. At this position, one step left is 2, one step right is 3, two step above is 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 4 is 1. At this position, one step left is 3, one step right is 2, two step above is 4. So 3 plus 2, 5, minus 4 is 1. At this position, one step left is 3, one step right is 0, two step above is 2. So 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 2, that is equal to 1. So now let us calculate the value at this grid, at this position. In this position, what we will do? Again we will see one step left, one step right. So 0 plus 1 and two step above is 2. So 0 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. At this position, 1 plus 1 minus 3. 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 3 is minus 1. At this position, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 3 is minus 1. At this position, 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 2 is minus 1. Again at this position, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 2. At this position, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 1 is minus 3. At this position, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. At this position, minus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. So minus 1, minus 2. And at this position, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. At this position, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus of minus 1 is plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. At this position, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. At this position, we will have minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So these are the solution in the interior grid point. So first, remember here one thing, first fill the first two rows for j equal to 0 and j equal to 1, and then fill the other rows using the explicit formula.